Shalom. I want to give all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai, Bahasham, Rakakwadash. Double honors to the apostles and the elders at Great Millstone. And honors to you brothers pushing the truth throughout the four corners of the earth in sincerity. And shalom to the elect that are scattered throughout the four corners of the earth, that are in all nations that might look like the heathen, but they are Israelites. All right. Shalom to you all. And much peace and blessings and salutations to you all, man. And this is the in transit, just meditating and driving to my destination. I just wanted to hit the record button, and exhort the Akim, the brothers and the sisters, the Akwath that are scattered throughout the four corners of the earth to just Yahweh Bashim Yahushua has given us the path. He's laid out a path in front of us. And just encouraging you brothers and sisters to continue on the path, man. To stick with it. I know it's gonna get hard coming up. We got a lot of shit that we gotta endure coming up. Some more than others. Some brothers are going to have to taste some death. Some brothers are going to have to be persecuted for his name's sake as a testimony. And we got to stand firm, man, because it gets greater later. All right, we're enduring right now the things that Yahweh Bashim Yahushua wants us to endure, whether it be these different problems that might occur. Okay, the Lord is fine-tuning our spirits the way he wants them to be. All right, going into that fire, going into that molding process. The Lord is molding us into who our spirits, okay, not the outer man. All right, now working out is good, like the scriptures say, bodily exercise profit of little. But the Lord is fine-tuning our spirits to the way that he wants them to be. All right, and he wants us to examine ourselves more. As we see the day coming, we're supposed to be reflecting, examination of yourself. Because if you're not examining yourself, you're a reprobate, man. All right, Paul goes into working out your own salvation. Self-examination goes into working out your own salvation. All right, because you know yourself better than anybody else. Also, if the Lord might put a spirit on a brother to call you out on particular things, that's a blessing. That's a blessing, man. If that brother is truly in the spirit and he's a man of God, a man of the Lord, a man of Yahweh Bashim Yahushua, and reproof and rebuke is so we won't die, so we won't go astray. So as we see the day approaching, we're supposed to be examining our spirits and, being more brotherly, doing the things that we need to do in our particular lots, so that we may get a shot at this thing, man, because we got a chance. We got a chance of a lifetime right here, right now. The scriptures say that these different athletes, they take advantage of the opportunities given unto them. They do it for a corruptible crown, but how much more us? All right, what we're involved in, what we're fighting for is a eternal legacy that's not going to go away. All right, if you're a part of that number, what you're doing right now is going to be remembered forever. You know how we read about the great men in the Bible now, Job and King David, and the different apostles and the prophets, where our names are going to be stamped in eternity amongst the nations, everybody, amongst our people, amongst the heathens, and that glory that the Lord is going to give us, that's going to be an eternal glory. So we're fighting, but we really don't know what's in depth, what we really fighting for. In depth, meaning what the Lord is going to give us for enduring these things. I mean, the scriptures tell us a little bit, But like 1 Corinthians 2:9 say, eyes have not seen, no ears heard. You know, and as we actually see the end of the world, we actually see it. We're experiencing it, man. For some of us, you know, brothers are put into different situations, different predicaments, man. You know, you know, we got to be brotherly, man. All right? We got to be, 144, call Lord Yahweh Shemi Al-Shai, man. We got to be brotherly, man. All right? Compassionate to one another, showing empathy, caring for one another. Because the world is about to turn on us, man. You should be hated of all men for my name's sake. The world is about to turn on us. You're going to have Israelites turning on us, man. People that are calling on Yahweh while Yahweh Shai. Yeah, you're going to have people that are Hebrew Israelites as well, snitching. There's always a betrayer in the script. There's always somebody that's envious and jealous and a Judas. There's always that. That's how the Lord wrote the script. You know, and shit. I'm sure double 144. Call Lord Yahweh Shemi Al-Shai. You know, I'm just rolling through the spirit, man. Saying what's on my spirit. You know, may Lord willing, what I'm saying is edifying, man. Because we see the plagues, we see the pestilences. So what manner of person shall we be? Yeah, we get on Esau. Yeah, you the devil, blah, 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 blah. Esau, he's already fucked. The moment he came out of the womb, he was already fucked. So our message is geared mainly to you Israelites. Because the Lord is looking at us. The scriptures say his eyes are constantly beholding us. The Lord is not really looking at the nations, man. They can do whatever the hell they want to do. They're not under anything. They weren't called to be righteous. We were called to be righteous. We were called to love thy neighbor as thyself. And that's what we got to do. What's the greatest commandment? To love the Lord thy God with thy all like a heart, strength, mind, and soul. I'm paraphrasing it. And to what? Love thy neighbor as thyself. Love thy neighbor as thyself. You gonna know. You can know the breakdowns. You can know the Hebrew. You could whatever. You got to love your brother, man. Sincerely, man. Sincerely. We got to be sincere about this thing, man. You know, if you feel like you got your spirit is if you feeling off in the spirit and you feeling Satan hopping on you and you, hey, fast, pray, meditate. If you got to know what's good for you, man. If you know you can't listen to rap music, don't listen to it, man. You gotta examine yourself, man. If you know you falling weak for women, you better do what the hell. Hey, what did the Lord say? If thy right eye offend thee, cut. If that right eye offend thee, pluck it out. It is better to go in the kingdom, halt or maim. All right, roughly paraphrasing. That's true. That goes for all of us, man. Whatever's hindering us from doing the work, from doing what we got to do, that shit got to be put to a minimum. That goes for anything, for everybody, anybody. If you're drinking too much, if you're eating too much, if you're doing whatever too much, we about to go into the heaviest times ever. So our conscience, we gotta have you don't want to go into Jacob's trouble if your conscience is condemned you. Your conscience, you don't want to go into Jacob's trouble with a condemned conscience. Is your mind you know, your mind all fucked up. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. My damn, you know, I don't think I did this, and I you know, that's why we have a grace period. This is the grace period. The grace period is to get your inner man right. Your spirit, you, who you are your spirit. Okay, you supposed to be, if you doing this, okay, I gotta stop doing that. I gotta do better at this. Now, I'm not saying that we're gonna be perfect. No, of course not. But the grace period is to get yourself together the best way you can before the bridegroom comes. All right? Because the bridegroom is coming. And Lord willing, we be found. Lord willing, as you can see in your life that the Lord has been putting you through particular situations and particular obstacles in your life, is because he's testing you and he's molding you the way he wants you to be. And that's a good thing, because the Lord is dealing with you, man. Because you're supposed to be changing. You're supposed to be becoming a better creature, a better brother, a better servant. So why is he doing these things to you? So that you can make it. So that you can be beamed up. He's molding us to be able to be acceptable. Because we weren't acceptable. We weren't acceptable when we coming out of this world. Even when we first come into the truth, we got to be molded, man. We're being molded to be accepted by Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai. And Lord willing, you know, Lord willing, we make it. But that's all I had, you know. Lord willing, it was edifying. I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai Ba'ashem Kakodash. Shalom.